Today we have the ryobi PhoneWorks noise suppression earphones with microphone. This has speech amplification technology to basically customize what you hear, noise suppression, and customized reduction of the nuisance noise. So essentially, you should be able to plug this in and be able to say, this is what I don't want to hear is anything above here, and this is what I do want to hear is anything below here. So it kind of is supposed to, looks like its noise reducing is 30 decibels when used as directed. So I'm going to go ahead and put you down and get this open. Again, I kind of, instead of trying to cut the package open, just cut the little bubble that sticks up. Mainly because I usually find that's a lot easier to do. Put the knife away. Okay, so here they are. Let's go ahead and untwist tie them. Yep. So it looks like they do slide pretty solid there into the ear canal. So now let's take go to the PhoneWorks. This is the earphones. Activate device. Purchase date. I'll be right back with you when I go ahead and get this serial number in. Serial number is attached to the side of this. Okay. It says, thank you for registering the tool. So now we go ahead and we open up the ear. And sorry about the recording, trying to do it. Okay, so insert into ear. Essentially, it tells you, like most, you compress this down so that when you set it in, it'll push into your ear and then it fills up to that dead space. Okay. Microphone input and output. Record audio. All right. Go ahead and talk.
Hello.
Hey, so I can kind of hear you, Monica.
Cool.
I can hear Lindsay. I can also hear myself talk.
That the noise suppressions?
Yep. Alright, that's pretty good.
Hey, look, I just pulled out of the dryer, sweetie.
Okay. So, that is, like I said, the PhoneWorks earpiece. Okay. That works pretty good, I think. So, I want to thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you do have any questions or comments about the earbuds or the earpiece, I'm going to test them out later on because I got some jackhammering to do. I have a bunch of other loud stuff to do. We're going to test them out to see if they suppress the loud noise and let go of the little noise. So anyway, thank you for watching the YouTube channel, and you have a great day. Thank you.